How to add text to photos and images on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Photos app. Then, open the picture in which you want to add the text. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find 3 bars. Click on that. Now, click on the pen kind of icon given at the top. Now, click on the plus icon given over here. The font options will appear. Select the option Add Text. Now, go ahead and type in the text that you want to add to this picture. Now, click on the text. You are able to edit this text. Click on this AA option. You can make it bold, italic. Likewise, increase or decrease the size. Likewise, also set the alignment. And also select the color of the text. After you are done, you can place it and click on Done. With that, you have just added text to photo on iPhone. By following the same steps, you are able to add text to any photo in your device. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.